10:54 na, wala pa din. Yeah, we are here at Araneta Square. We are here at the Prime Group of Companies Summer Sale. Ang daming tao. I'm here with my sister. Ang pangit na. And my mom. Yun siya. Yun. So, yung sale na to is, I think, 70% off. Up to 70% off. Yeah. Bye. So, sabi dito sa picture, 10 AM to 6 PM. 10:54 na, wala pa din. Isang number na per person. Sabi nila walang...
May number na ba kayo?
Wala man. Sabi wala number dito.
Dadali nga number, 200 lang. Dadali nga number. Hindi kami ituloy lang. Wala yung flannel na gusto ko.
Ano ba?
May gusto kong flannel kanina, nawala. May size pa kayo nito?
Ay, 7 last 7.
Kaya may size pa ba nito?
Size
10.
Ako,
Ay, hindi.
Walang.
Iba siya. Eh, dito meron kayong size? Meron kayong size dito? 10.
Wala din yun.
Wala?
Wala din.
Oo. Shit. Merda.
Hi. So yeah, I just got home from Araneta Square. Nakalimutan ko yung address. This. Di ko alam. Di ko sure kung Araneta Square. Wait. Ayun. Araneta Square, Bonifacio, Monument Circle, Caloocan City. So yeah, it's a long ride home. I'm from Pampanga. I will be showing you the things I bought today. And this is what I bought. I will be doing a mini haul, I guess. So yeah, the first thing I bought is this shirt from Staple, and it's this. Its original price is at 2,490 pesos. For just only a shirt. 2,490 pesos. Bes, ang mahal. I cannot. But I got it only for 700 pesos. So I think that's a good deal. Moving on. The next thing I bought is another shirt from Staple, which is this cork-like print. And the letters have texture. I don't know if you can... there. So its original price is also at 2,490, and the sale price is 700. So I bought it because the print is so dope. So I only bought a few things because even though the items are on sale, it's still expensive. Grabe, itong dalawa pa lang shirt. Best shirt pa lang. Na 1,400 na ako. Pero I think sulit naman kasi yung original price nila 2,500. 2,514. Makatipid ba ako? No. The last thing I bought is this bag. Device Ready. Designed in USA. I don't know what brand it is, but the minute I walked into that sale, it immediately caught my eye because the color. I love the color. It's like a denim blue and an Aztec print. I'm planning on making this my like everyday backpack for my the good thing about this is that it can store my laptop here. Maganda pa dito sa bag na to is may padding. So I can put my laptop here, my phone, my hard drive, and my camera of course. Dahil bago yung camera ko, parang ayoko pa siyang ilagay sa mga bag na normal kasi feeling ko magagasgas. Tapos dito, parang hindi na ako mag-hesitate na ilagay dito kasi may padding. So, may protection siya. May protection, what the... The original price of this bag is 4,490 and the sale price is 2,200. So, 50% off. I think it's worth. Kaysa naman bumili ako dun sa mga camera backpack na over 5,000. Tapos yung plain lang yung dating. Ito may design na. And parang millennial yung dating. Bagay sa millennial like me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. It will really help my channel. And please subscribe if you like my content. I'm just starting out. I think this will be one of the first videos that I will be posting on my channel. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!